Hi, I'm Aaron Dishman, sales manager down at Artesia Tate Branch Dodge, and I want to thank you for taking the time to look at this vehicle.
The 2018 1500 Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here at Tate Branch, we have a lifetime powertrain warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles on all qualifying vehicles. 919 South 1st Street in Artesia. Come down and let us make you part of the Tate Branch family.